222 miles. That's it. That's the story. This is a 2005 Porsche 911 Turbo S finished in slate gray metallic over full black leather, and it basically hasn't been used. This is the top of the line 996. It's not a turbo, it is a Turbo S. So from the factory, that means you're getting PCCB carbon ceramic brakes, yellow calipers, and 18-inch turbo twist wheels. You also get a wider rear body, bigger intakes, and a subtle but aggressive turbo stance. And this might be a hot take, but in my opinion, the slate gray is one of the best colors that you could get on the 996. Inside is pretty much exactly what you would expect. Full black leather everywhere, including the seats, dash, and doors, with carbon fiber on the shifter and handbrake. It also comes with heated power seats, a Bose sound system, navigation, and memory seats. And then that's when you look down and see it. Just 222 miles on the odometer. It's kind of like someone just ran it out of gas for the first time and then never refilled it. That's about as far as this car went. It's powered by the Mezger engine, a twin turbocharged 3.6 liter flat six, pushing 444 horsepower and 457 pound-feet of torque, sent to all four wheels through a 6-speed manual. This is the same engine architecture that traces back to Porsche's racing program, and it's the main reason that people hunt these cars. And the fact that this one hasn't been driven makes it really interesting, because at this point, you're just looking at a brand new 996 Turbo S. That's what you're doing. But also then, are you actually going to drive it? Like, whoever buys this, are they going to drive it or just let it sit? This car just crossed $200,000 today on Bring a Trailer. It has over 128 comments as well, and there's still 5 days left. Now, depending on when you're watching this, it may be over, it may not, but I'll be sure to keep you updated. Everything you will need to know will be in the description below, as well as a link to the auction. And for now, that's all I got.